Okay everybody, let's get started. First we're going to take our ColourPop concealer in the color Fair, which is a pure white, and we're going to pop that onto the lid like so. Now we're going to take our concealer brush and simply blend that out so we can get a natural look. Off camera I went ahead and dipped my brows in the concealer for sake of time. Next we're taking our colored Raine palette and we're going to take that color Neo Blue, and with a dense brush we're just going to pop that onto the lid. Now if you remember Harley Quinn, on one side there's a blue, the other side is a pinkish red, so we're going to start off with the blue just because it's a deeper color. Right now I'm just focusing on coverage. We will blend that out in the next frame. And then we're going to take our blending brush and we're just going to blend that out into the crease like so. Next we're going to take the two colors Sauce and Party Drip. Sauce is a red, Party Drip is a bright pink. And we're going to take that same brush and pop it onto the other side of our lid. And as you can see, there's still a slight bit of blue, but we're not going to worry about that because we could always apply some more shadow to cover that right on up. Right now we're just focusing on coverage and just popping that onto the lid. And next we're taking that same blending brush and we're going to blend this out. As you can see, again, there's still a small hint of blue, but that's okay. We could always just apply some more shadow, as I said before. Next we're going to apply some lashes. Now normally I don't put lashes on camera, but give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section if you want me to do a lash video. However, for Harley Quinn, one of the main features that everybody loves so much is her eyes, and with the eyes, to make it complete you have to unfortunately pop on a lash. If you don't know how to apply lashes, you could put on mascara, but please try to put on the lashes to make the eyes complete. Now we're taking our foundation, so that is the NC47 in MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and we're taking a dense foundation brush. This is the Real Techniques brush, and we're just going to apply this onto the face. We're going to go ahead and move on to the other side. You notice how I'm doing small taps. This provides more coverage, and not only are we going for more coverage, but we're also saving product by not wasting it by spreading it too thin. And then also for the forehead, you notice I do spread it out just a little bit because I don't need as much coverage on my forehead. Also, I have an oily T-zone, so I don't want to put too much liquid product because my face tends to get oily in that area, but we're just making it look natural. That's the whole point. Next, we're taking our concealer. This is the Avocado Bendy Concealer by Fresh Cosmetics, and we're just going to apply this underneath the eye like so. I like to do a triangular shape just for the sake of coverage. Next, we're going to focus on our contour, so I'm taking the Infallible Foundation Stick by L'Oreal. This is in the color Espresso, and I'm going to put this down the sides of my nose as well as the sides of my face, on the sides of my cheek as well as my jawline. Now I'm taking a slightly angled brush and I'm just simply blending this out. Now I'm taking some contour powder. I forget what, I believe it's by BH Cosmetics, but I'll drop it in the description box below, no worries. And I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm just going down the sides of my nose to reinforce that natural look of a contour. Again, we want it to look natural. We don't want it to have those harsh lines where you could tell we did contour. Next, I'm just taking some bright shadow. I believe this is by the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm just applying that to the inner corners of the lids. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it helps open up the eyes and also gives the shadow a bit of a pop. Next, we're going to take the shadow and bring it down to the sides of our face, because as you know with Harley Quinn, although we love her eyes so much, the shadow kind of runs to the sides of her face, which is what people love so much because it's still such a cute look. So we're just going to take that pink and red and we're just going to blend that out. So once we bring it down to the sides of our face, we're just going to go ahead and do our waterline. Next, we're going to do the other side with the blue. So the reason why we did that pinkish red first is just because we didn't want that blue to bleed through. So we're going to do the same thing as we did on the pink and red side to the blue. So we're going to bring the shadow down to the side of our face, and then after that we're going to bring that in, I'm sorry about that you guys, into our waterline and simply blend that out. Now we're going to take our Whisper of Gilt. This is the highlighter by MAC Cosmetics. It's actually a powder, come in a compact form, and we're just going to go ahead and highlight the nose, the bridge of our nose, as well as the sides of our cheekbones, just to bring that out, because as you know, Harley Quinn has some really nice pronounced cheekbones. Now we're taking our liner by NYX Cosmetics. This is actually a liquid liner. You could use any black liner, and as you know, she has a bit of, I'm not sure if it's tattoos, but she has some drawings on the side of her face. One is of a heart, and then the other part is of rotten. Now I did rotten off camera. Now we're moving on to the lips, and this is actually in the color Ruby Woo, also by MAC Cosmetics, and we're just going to put that onto the lip like so. As you know, Harley Quinn is known for her red lip, so you must use red lipstick for this. It doesn't have to necessarily be by MAC, but you have to use a red lip. Don't use any other color. Now we're moving on to the little bit of the mistake, also known as the smear or smudge, on the side of the lip. As you know, Harley Quinn, she is kind of crazy, so the side of her lipstick is a little bit smudged. So that's what we did with the Ruby Woo lipstick. Now I'm taking a liquid lipstick. This is the Liquid Suede lipstick by NYX Cosmetics, and this is in a deeper red, and I'm just applying that onto the lip like so. This is just to help add some more depth to that red lip. And then after we finish applying that, we're going to pop just a little bit more of that Ruby Woo. We just really want this red to stand out, so that's why I'm layering it. And don't mind me opening up my mouth so wide. And then we're going to simply fix that smudge by just taking our thumb, the side of our thumb, and we're just going to help bring that down a little bit more just to make it look more natural. Now we're applying our wig. This wig is horrid, you guys. I have to admit, I got this from Party City. It was kind of hard to find a more decent wig just because so many people want to be Harley Quinn this Halloween. However, I was able to pull this off by finding it in Party City. Now, I'm using this strictly for entertainment purposes for you guys. However, if you're going to be Harley Quinn this Halloween, go ahead and put a stocking cap on your head. That will just blend the hair out even better. But this is pretty much the look. And as you guys can see, this is the final look for Harley Quinn. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay everybody, so this is the final look. I hope that you enjoyed. It's not a very hard look to put together. You just need a blue, a pinkish red, and a red lip, and don't forget to smear it. You could take like I used, a liquid liner and just put on the black heart as well as spell out rotten on the side. Excuse the wig is horrid, but you know, it's not going to be the best put together because it's just for a night, it's just for Halloween, and this is a Halloween wig. So, but I really hope you enjoyed. I really actually enjoyed putting this look together. I'm actually going to take this wig off as soon as I finish. But yes, if you have any questions about anything that I did during the tutorial, please drop them in the comment box below. Don't worry, I'm going to put everything that I use in my tutorial listed in the comment box below, in the description box below. Anything else? I'm getting sidetracked. Yes, Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I worked very hard to put up this content, so I really appreciate the likes and the support. Please share if you will. Also, while you're going ahead and subscribing to the channel, go ahead and follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at the handle Lover of Shades, and then go ahead and follow my blog, which is loverofshades.com, where I cover all things beauty, all things travel, as well as some other things in between. I have maybe a look or two left for the Halloween series, so I hope that you guys continue to follow me and follow the looks that I'm creating. But until then, I hope you guys have fun. If you guys don't check out my channel before Halloween, please have a happy Halloween, and please stay safe. God bless you. Please follow me, and love you so much. See you next time. Bye.